Gold and silver struggle to break the resistances on the upside. We have seen a very good resistance at 27 60 64 zone for gold, and it has attempted twice but failing to do so. Again, we have seen little dip here, while silver has also struggled to stay above 31. What to expect today from gold and silver? Where to enter, where to exit, how to profit? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Just subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we look into gold, followed with silver. Watch. Now, first on the hourly charts, if you look at gold, see it is peaked here. It is forming a nice flag here, but it is also finding a good support here at around 26 50 48 zone. And the next supports, see this complete zone, I will say in between 27 50 and 27 40 is a very strong support zone, because see first support at around 27 48 50, next at around 27 44 45, and then 27 38 40. These are the three levels it need to break in order to turn bearish here. Right now I can see that the prices are trading below the 20 period moving average, and also now draw a line here, just draw a line and you can find out now the only buying entry is above 27 58 60 zone. So if you see gold trading above 27 58 60 is where you can initiate a buying entry. But let's have a further look. Stochastic at bottom, MACD trading with divergence is staying bearish, looking downwards. The RSI has dropped as well. Signs are slightly bearish here. Coming to 2 hour, similar observation here on the 2 hour charts. See, it is forming a nice flag. It has come down to take the support from the 20 period. It is trying to bounce back, and now this complete zone is going to remain at stronger support for gold for the day. Be careful around 27 40. As long as 27 40 38 is not taken, we should not be treating gold as bearish. Stochastic at bottom, MACD crossing over here, trading with divergence, trading with slight bearishness. RSI has dropped as well. On the 3 hour, now on the 3 hour chart, see it has shown a reversal. First of all, a greater resistance is on the upside, and now increasing body size is seen. Also look at the candles, all are beautifully aligned here. So now this line, this channel, it needs to break on the upside in order to confirm a reversal here. And look on the downside, the support levels are intact, so I'll wait for a break here. Now if it stays below 27 48 50 zone, we can expect a move towards this zone, that is towards 27 40 possibly. Stochastic has dropped, the MACD has just crossed over, and this is the first red candle after the crossover. It appears we can expect this to continue, let's say where the current candle closes. This is very very important, because see, if you notice, it always delivers wave, and this crossover is coming at a slightly higher level, because last three waves you can see was from slightly lower level. So it appears that possibly gold might try to retrace on the downside. Let's wait for it to break the critical levels. RSI, which was staying overbought, now it is looking downwards. So again, this is a slight bearish sign. On the 4 hour, now on the 4 hour charts, the observation is more or less same here. Only thing here is the divergence of the price from the 20 period. It is trading with too much of divergence. The 20 period moving average sitting at around 27 38, and then the median of the Bollinger Bands at around 27 34. So yes, these are going to be the next levels. If you look at the charts here, you will find whenever it diverges, it converges towards the 20 period at least, and this could be the fourth time when it may do so. Yes, it is trading in this channel. The lows of the channel are now far below towards 27 30, 27 20 levels. If you look at the stochastic, this has dropped sharp. The MACD is willing to converge, it is willing to cross over for sell. RSI is also come out of the overbought zone. Coming to the day, on the daily chart, similar observation. See the crossover here, the divergence here. This is certainly a bullish sign. Second thing is, if you look at the waves here, every rise is offset with a retracement, and this could be the fourth to fifth time when it may try to do so. But right now it is not showing much signs. We have to wait for it to break the critical support in order to confirm further drop here. So now let's have a further look here. See the stochastic definitely staying overbought. The MACD trading with divergence, staying bullish, looking upwards, and it appears the MACD is willing to hit the top before reversing. RSI is near to top as well. So now time for me to give you the levels. And before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. And those who are looking forward to a broker which offers you a free account with lowest spreads, no hidden charges, and yes, if you join through the link, you will get 50% bonus as well. Join the recommended broker. The link is there in the channel and video description. Now considering this, see, first of all, where you should buy, I will recommend you to buy here at 50 27 56 58 levels. And again, you have to be extremely cautious as long as it stays beyond below 27.6465. Only bullishness in gold is if it breaks beyond 27.65, else you should not treat this as bullish. And once it stays above 27.65, we can expect it to move towards 27.70 to 74 zone, the next targets, and beyond 27.70 to 74 we are looking forward to 84.85. If these two levels are taken, you can wait and expect it to break the all-time high levels at 27.90, and then beyond the 2800 is must, chances for which appears to be. While let's look at the bullishness here, I think I see that the bullishness is getting diminished here. Look at this candle, and it appears that this high is done. Possibly it may find it difficult to break beyond 27.65, so you have to be very very cautious till then. And on the downside, now the selling entry at around 27.48 levels, below which 27.44.45 first, 27.40 second. And now 27.40 and 38 should be an extremely good support here for the day until 27.40.38. In fact, 42, 40, 38, these are the three levels which is going to remain critical for the day. Below this is where you can expect slight bearishness towards 27.34 and then 27.30 levels. Below this is where you can say now gold is turning bearish. Remember, in the near term, gold is to be treated bearish only and only if it trades below 27.0204. Till then, it is not bearish. Take your positions, take your trades accordingly. Let's move to silver. Silver on the hourly chart, see, finding the resistance, it is now trading bearish, lower highs and lower lows. Very, very important for it to break the yesterday's lows. Now, see, this is the second time it is willing to break below this, and now if you see it is staying below 30.55 and 30.40, these are the two levels which are going to remain critical here. Now, yesterday I have drawn one thing for you. You must have seen this. I have shared that this is the double top, and after the double top, what we had seen, it is trying to deliver this possibility exists that it is trying to deliver this. The moving averages are now looking downward, so if it delivers this wave, which means the next targets are going to be towards 30 and 29.80. Let's see if it breaks the support levels here. 30 50, 30, 40 should be an extremely good support zone, and then 30.20 $30 level should appear. Now 30.20 is the next critical support which it needs to break in order to turn bearish. Stochastic oversold, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI has dropped here. Coming to 2 hours, similar is the observation. Now notice what it is doing: drop, retracement, drop. It could retrace. Now retrace means where you should you can expect that it is turning bullish only and only if now if it trades beyond 30.90, 31. That is the only level above which you can say now the bulls are back in silver, as long as it stays below 30.90 and 31. Because see, I can see that 31 is formed a double top here, so it is very very crucial for silver to break beyond 31 in order to turn bullish today. The stochastic at the bottom, the MACD crossed over, trading with divergence, staying bearish, looking downwards. RSI has dropped as well. On the 3 hour charts, if you see, the observation is more or less same. Look at the three candles here. See, highs are beautifully aligned. This lows it need to break, specifically the 50 period moving average. So this is going to be a very good support. 30.40 the next, and then till 30.20. Till 30.20, I will say you have to trade with extreme caution on the downside. Till 30.20, it has got extremely strong support. Though I can see a double top, and I can also see that possibly it can try to move towards this if it breaks below 30.20 here. The stochastic looking downwards, the MACD crossed over for sell. RSI has dropped as well. On the 4 hour, the observation is more or less same. See, first of all, on the upside, the resistance is intact. Look at the candles here, finding it difficult to break beyond 30.90, 31, and now see it is also trading below the 20 period and the median of the Bollinger Band. So just looking at this, the buying entries are only above 30.90, 31. Till then you have to be watchful. Now see what has happened: drop, retracement, and it is taking a shape here on the downside. So now I will recommend you to sell. If you see the price below 30.50, you can take a selling entry, but then till 30.40 you have to be extra cautious and vigilant, and then till 30.20 you have to be extremely watchful. Below 30.20 is where we are going to see extreme bearishness. Stochastic dropping, MACD just crossed over, trading with divergence, staying bearish. RSI has dropped. Coming to now, look at the daily chart. See, first of all, yesterday was a doji candle here, and today it has started on a bearish note. I will wait for it to break below the lows. I will wait for it to stay below 30.50, 30.40 zone, and then specifically 30.20. If these two levels are taken, consider this as reversal, and this is going to be the first candle, and then you can see series of candles here taking it till towards 29.80 and lower levels. Notice what is happening in silver. After the drop, it has formed double bottom. It is under retracement trading with this, and it is very very important for it to trade above 31. Beyond 31, it is not going to come back. Beyond 31, we are looking forward to 31.25, 31.50. That is the first 31.50 is ideally should be the stronger resistance on the upside. Beyond this is where you are going to see strong bullishness towards 32, 32.20 levels. Right now I can see it is trying to take a dip here. What has happened here after that? A good dip. After this it is trying to take a dip. 39, 30.9, 31 is the only level above which it should be treated bullish. Stochastic at top, MACD rising, RSI looking downward. So consider, I will recommend you to sell at 30, 50, 30, 40 levels and expect it to move towards 30.20 till 30.20. Extremely, you have to be careful here till 30.20 levels. Below 30.20 is where the bears will try to take over, and then we can expect 30.29.80, and below 29.80 is where you are going to look at a greater correction towards 29.50 and in fact lower levels. Be mindful of this. Once it trades below 30, 20, 30, we are going to look forward to further extreme correction here. While on the upside now, the buying entry is at 30.90, $31 levels. That is the resistance it need to break. Once it stays above 31, do not think of selling silver. We are looking forward to a greater rise towards 31.20, 25, 31.40, 50 levels, and beyond 31.50 is where extreme bullishness to be seen. So keep a note of these levels and take your trades accordingly, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Do not miss to watch the next update before the US session. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.